This is cfhaa004w. This is Orient Watch's Power Reserve Semi-Skeleton series. And this particular model is quite stunning in my opinion. This is something that I personally wear also. We have in this rectangular case, they're using Gothic fonts with this white background and red highlights. Absolutely stunning. But what makes this even more better than anything else is the fact that it is a semi-skeleton. Take a look right around the 9 o'clock index right over there. You'll notice that you can see something that has little golden pieces, and which is basically the balance wheel, the timing device of your watch. Now, the second hand is located in a small little dial located close to the 6 o'clock position. And notice how in the back of this, in the inner circle of the watch, how the texture of the dial is a little different and reflects differently off the watch. The glass is domed to give a very nice feeling of the design of the watch, meaning that it is not flat, but it is curved slightly. The case is a 50-meter case, but another fantastic feature of this watch is the power reserve indicator, which is something that we have seen, you've commonly seen in other Orient high-level quality watches. So let me explain to you what the power reserve indicator does. It works exactly like any gauge to let you know how much is left, like a car gauge, for example, or a fuel gauge is exactly how this power reserve works. It lets you know how much more power is left in the watch. Now these numbers represent units of hours. So in our example, we have approximately 12 to 13 hours. So what does that mean to you as the wearer? When you take off your mechanical watch, you don't know exactly when it's going to stop without a power reserve indicator. We know that if I take this, when I just leave this watch alone without any motion, it will be okay. I mean, it will continue to run for 13 hours. So you are confident when you're placing it down off your wrist that it's going to last you until you're going to wear it the next time. Now what that will do is it will minimize the number of times you have to set the watch, which is also another nice time-saving feature. So another nice feature of the power reserve is when you place the watch back on your wrist, provided there is a positive number on the power reserve indicator, you know that the watch has been running and hasn't depleted all its power. So you are confident that the time on the watch is correct. Take a look at the shoulders of the case, how it protects the crown, which adjusts the time of the watch. On the back side of the watch, we have an exhibition case back. An exhibition case back allows the wearer to take a look at the mechanism that is driving the watch. You'll notice in this mechanical piece that there are no capacitors, batteries, or any sort of circuit boards. So this is a truly mechanical, timeless piece. Let's take a look at the front again, and you'll see the band, how it uses black, which is a great contrast, the ultimate contrast against white. And of course, we bring the white back in as stitching. The buckle used is a deployment buckle, which is fantastic because you don't have to readjust the leather band constantly. It securely finds the length, and then what you do with the buckle, it just open and close it. Works kind of similar to your normal stainless steel watches, but on a leather band. This is cfhaa004w.